Why don't you eat your food? You are a goofball. What are you doing in the dark? Come on. You want to go downstairs? Yeah? Okay, after dinner. After dinner we'll go downstairs. Dinner's almost ready. Why don't you say hi to Abuela and Abuela? So hello. Tell them I want to go to Miami. I want to get a suntan. I want to play in the pool. That's right, that's the camera. Oh, what to do, what to do. So many things to do. Saw that face? That's her new koi face. Almost hit the wall there, didn't you? Alright, say bye-bye to everybody. Say bye-bye. That's it? That's your little wave? That's all you're going to do? Just a little wave like that? Wave with little fingers? Alright, see you later. Bye-bye. Give everybody a big kiss.